How does the Array Modifier work in Blender? Let's find out. Start by selecting a cube. Next, go to the Modifiers tab on the right side and click Add Modifier. Choose the Array Modifier from the list. Instantly, Blender creates multiple copies of your object. Now adjust the count and offset values to control the spacing and number of copies. You can also modify the position and rotation along different axes to create patterns, structures, and complex designs in just a few clicks. And that's how the Array Modifier helps you save time and model faster in Blender. Follow PolyVista for more Blender tips and tutorials.